Good morning. How are you today? I hope you're all doing really, really well. One of the biggest conversations that I'm hearing across the board at the moment with my clients is that division that's happening with family and friends, in churches, in workplaces, in their gyms, in everyday life within families and friends. The division that is being developed is constructed. It's constructed by the people that want us fighting. We don't need to be a part of that. So I thought I would have a quick look at a flower essence, Dagger Hakea, which is an Australian bush flower essence. And it's an essence that helps to release rage and anger and resentment towards loved ones, close family and friends. And that is what feels like is being pushed across the board around the world at the moment. So I'm going to use the tuning forks. I'm going to use the flower essence and just get a little bit of release around resentment and just sort of transform this into a higher level of love and forgiveness. Okay, part 2 coming up.